Hi, I'm Sandra. In this video, I want to share how to fill your new lighter. When you get a new lighter, don't add fill right away. First, pull out the insert and rebuild it properly. Most factory inserts are machine packed, so the cotton and wick are usually just pressed in, not arranged in the proper S shape. If you feel it like that, the frame can jump and performance won't be stable. So, take out the cotton. Then rebuild the insert the right way. If the original wick feels too short, you can place it with a free pure cotton wick included in your order. Every order will have this kit. It takes a little more time at the start, but the lighter will absorb, feel better, and work much more smoothly. You don't need to pull out the wick unless you want to replace it with a free pure cotton wick. Open up the cotton and fluff it up a little so it can hold feel better. Then gently place the cotton back inside. The first piece of cotton should wrap around the wick. So the wick was closer contact with the cotton. After that, put the rest of the cotton back in using the S-shaped layout.
Twinkling bright, we'll chase the moon through the night. Our hearts are light, the rhythm sweet. With every step, the world's our street. The ocean whispers tales untold as we dance on sands of gold, laughing neath the starry sky. Our spirits lift, we soar so high. Oh, the carefree moments flow in the breezy tunes we know. Joy and freedom in the air. Together we're a perfect pair.
This, we left this, just leave it, then put the cotton back.
The carefree moments flow in the breezy tunes we know. Joy and freedom
Still have space, we can put more back.
together we're a perfect pair.
The flint, put the flint back. And screw it back.
Twinkling bright, we'll chase the moon through the night. Our hearts are light, the rhythm sweet. With every step, the world's our street. The ocean whispers tales untold as we dance on sands of gold, laughing neath the starry sky. Our spirits lift, we soar so high. Oh, the carefree moments flow.
Then add the oil. If you want to add the oil, then
Tunes we know.
take this felt
Joy
out.
and freedom in the air. Together we're a perfect pair.
Then the zipper lighter fill.
Sunrise paints the morning dew with a color only you knew. Every day's a new reprieve. Life's a dance, a
Add the
sweet
oil and add the fuel.
hand in hand we greet the dawn to melodies that pull us on. With every twirl, a dream we live. In this dance, we'll always
Whoa, too much.
Oh, the carefree moments flow
Oh, I added too much.
in the breezy
So?
tunes we know. Joy,
So,
freedom,
it's a long example. I think it's better to count for 5 seconds, then finish. So don't learn me like that. Oh no. Too much. So about 5 seconds, then finished adding the fuel. I didn't count just now. Maybe count for 4 seconds. We try it later, okay?
As we dance on sands of gold, laughing beneath the starry sky, our spirits lift. We
It smells.
soar so high. Oh, the carefree
Oh,
moments flow
too much. but add too much, so it leak. One very useful suggestion is put more napkin down here. Then wait a few minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, for the fill to fully soak into the cotton. Put the insert back into the leather case. And light it. Wow, nice fire.